Good morning students, myself Vijay Bhadoria, Study Point Inter College Khairabad Sitapur. Today we are going to start exercise 3.1. Question number 1 is Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Aftab is saying to his daughter that 7 years ago he was 7 times as old as she was, and also he is saying uh, 3 years from now means 3 years after. He say also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old you will be, means he is saying that 3 years after he will be 3 times as old as her. Okay, is it isn't this intersecting? अगर ये मतलब this is the condition of the question, you what you will do, first you will represent this situation algebraically and graphically. First you will represent this situation algebraically, and after that graphically. First you have to make equation for this, and then you have to draw graph for that. Now start question. Let the age of Aftab, present age of Aftab is X and present age of Aftab daughter is Y. So 7 years ago, age of Aftab will be X minus 7, because 7 years before he will be 7 years less, so X minus 7, and age of Aftab daughter will be Y minus 7, because 7 years before she also was 7 years less, so her age is Y minus 7. Question is saying, uh, in the question Aftab was saying that 7 years ago I was 7 times as old you were. Aftab was 7 times as old as his daughter's age. So you can compare this by multiplying by 7 in the age of daughter, because Aftab was 7 times, so multiply daughter's age by 7 times 7, and their ages will be in the equal proportion. So x minus 7 equal to 7, y minus 7. So x minus 7 equal to 7 into y, 7y, minus 7 into 7, 49. Bring send 7y left hand side, so here it will be minus 7y, x minus 7y, and send minus 7 to that side, so minus 49 plus 7, x minus 7y equal to minus 42. Draw this as equation 1. Now draw table for the equation 1. As x minus 7y equal to minus 42, send x to that side, it will be minus also, minus 42 minus x, minus 7y equal to minus 42 minus x. Take common from these two, minus 7y equal to minus 42 plus x. Cut these two minus, 7y equal to 42 plus x, y equal to 7 will come in upon 42 plus x. Now draw the table for this. Put x equal to 0, 42 plus 0, 42x, 42 upon 7, 7 6 ja, y will be 6, and put x minus 7, 42 minus 7, 42 minus 7 means 35, 7 5 ja, 35, so y will be 5. So on putting x equal to 0 in this, we are getting y as 6, because 42 plus 0, 42, 7 6 ja, 42, y will come 6, and putting x equal to x equal to minus 7, 42 minus 7, 35, 35 upon 7, 7 5 ja, y will come 5. So on putting x equal to 0, y is 6 from this, and on putting x equal to minus 7 in this, y is 5. Now second case is Aftab is saying to his daughter that 3 years after, so Aftab present age is x, so 3 years after age of Aftab will be x plus 3, and age of Aftab daughter will be y plus 3, because present age of Aftab is x and present age of Aftab daughter is y. 3 years after their ages will be 3 years more, so plus 3 plus 3. So age of Aftab equal to x plus 3 and age of Aftab daughter equal to y plus 3. According to the question is saying, in the question Aftab is saying 3 years after I will be thrice as old you will be, means Aftab will be 3 times as old as his daughter. So to uh, make equal, we have to multiply in the age of daughter will be by the 3 to so 3 years after age of Aftab will be x plus 3 and Aftab's daughter will be y plus 3, and he is saying according to the question Aftab will be 3 times as old, will be 3 after 3 years Aftab will be 3 times as old his daughter. So to make equal we have to multiply in the age of daughter will by the 3 to make equal to the age of daughter to the age of Aftab. So x plus 3 equal to 3y plus 3, x plus 3 equal to 3y, 3 into y 3, 3 plus 3 9, we send 3y that side, this side x minus 3y, send 3 to that side, 9 minus 3 x, x minus 3y equal to 6. This is equation 2. Now draw table for this. X minus 3y equal to 6. So x minus 3y equal to 6, minus 3, send x to that side, 6 minus x, minus 3y equal to 6 minus x. Now change the sign of all these. Here it will be plus, here it will be plus, x will be plus and 6 will be minus. Now y equal to x minus 6 upon 3, 3 will come upon, so y equal to x minus 6 upon 3, put x equal to 3, put x equal to 3, 3 minus 6 minus 3 upon 3, x is 3, so 3 minus 6 minus 3 upon 3 minus 1, y will come 1, and putting x equal to 0, 0 minus 6 minus 6 upon 3, 3 to the minus 2, so y is minus 2. So on putting x equal to 3 in this, we are getting y minus 1, and putting x equal to 0, y we are getting y as minus 2. Now for these two tables, for this and this, we are going to draw the graph. This is the algebraically, this is the equation, first equation, this is algebraically representation, and this is also equation 2 is algebraically relation. Now we are going to draw the graph for these two tables, for this and for this. And in table 1 mark 0 comma 6 as a point A, and mark minus 7 comma minus 7 comma 5 as a point B. And in this table, second table, mark 3 comma minus 1 as P and 0 comma minus 2 as point Q. Okay, 0 comma minus 2 as Q. Now see the graph for these two equations, x minus 7y, x minus 7y equal to minus 42, and this is the line for the x minus 3y equal to 6, minus 3y equal to 6. For x minus 7y equal to minus 2, we are having 2 points, one is a 0 comma 6 and b is minus 7 comma 5. So start to represent 0 comma 6, start from here. 0 means x0, y is 6, so go in the direction of positive direction of y, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 0 comma 6, and b point is minus 7 comma 5. So start from here, minus 7 means negative direction, you have to go in the negative direction of x-axis. This is the negative direction of x-axis, this is the positive direction of x-axis, this is the positive direction of y-axis, this is the downside negative direction of y-axis. Okay, start from 0, minus 7, go minus 7 means on x-axis in the negative direction of x-axis. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, and plus 5, go upside, 1 2 3 4 5. This is point B, this is point A, this is point B. Join these 2 points, we are getting as a line. Okay, now for the second equation, x minus 3y equal to 6, x minus 3y equal to 6, we are having 2 points P and Q. P is 3 comma minus 1, 3 comma minus 1. To represent 3 comma minus 1, 3 go in the positive direction of x-axis, 1 2 3, and minus 1 in the negative direction of y-axis, minus 1. This is point P, this is point P, and second point is Q, 0 comma minus 2, 0, x is 0, minus 2 means minus 1, minus 2. This is point Q. Join these 2 points P and Q, we are getting a line. So x minus 3y equal to minus 6 represent this line, and x minus 7y equal to minus 42 represent this line. This is the graphically representation of lines for the given condition. Okay, now see the question number 2. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3900. Later she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 3000. Represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. What is the question? The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3900. Later she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for 1300, and represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. How will we solve this question? See. First, let the cost of one bat equal to rupees x and cost of one ball equal to rupees y. First, let cost of one bat equal to rupees x and cost of one ball equal to rupees y. First, coach buys 3 bats and 6 balls. So 3x for rupees 3900. So 3x plus 6y, because 3 bats 3 into x and 6 balls, so 6 into y equal to total cost was 3900. Take common 3 from these two, 3 on taking common 3, here it is x and here it will be 2. X plus 2y equal to 3900. You can write 3 into 10. So on taking 3 common, x plus 2y, here it is 3 common, on taking 3 common, 3 common, divide this by 3. So here it is x and here it is 2y x plus, and you can write 3900 as 3 into 1300. So 3 will be cut, and so it will come x plus 2y equal to 1300. This is the equation 1. And in the second case, question is saying if she buys another bat, means one bat and 3 balls, so the cost of for rupees 3900. So cost of one bat x and 3 balls 3 into y will be 1300. So another equation is x plus 3y equal to 1300. This is the second equation. First is the this and second is the this. Draw the table for these two. Table for equation 1. Equation 1 is x plus 2y equal to 1300. 2y equal to, send x that side, 1300 minus x. So y equal to 1300 minus x upon 2. X plus 2y equal to 1300 is the first equation. Send x to that side, it will be minus. So 2y equal to 1300 minus x. Y equal to 1300 minus x upon 2. Y will come upon. Now put here x as 500. On putting x equal to 500, 1300 minus 500, it will be 800 divided by 2. 800 divided by 2, so it will come 400. So on putting x equal to 500, we are getting y 400. Now put x equal to 700. Put x equal to 700. 1300 minus 700 equal to 600. 600 upon 2, 300. So on putting x equal to 700, we are getting y 300. Now table for equation 2. Equation 2 is x plus 3y equal to 1300. X plus 3y equal to 1300. 3y equal to 1300 minus x. X will go that side. So 3y equal to 1300 minus x. Send y in upon the 1300 minus x upon 3. So to draw table, x, put x equal to 400. 1300 minus 400, it will come 900. Divide 900 by 3, it will come 300. Put here So for x equal to 400 we are getting y 300. Put x equal to 100 here. So 1300 minus 100, it will come 1200. 1200 divided by 3, it will come 400. So for x equal to 100, y is 1300 minus 100, 1200 upon 3, y will come 400. So x equal, say this point 500. For table, for equation 1 we are getting table as x equal to 500, 400. Say this point A and say this point B. 700, 300, say this point B. For table equation 2 we are getting point 400 and 300. Say this point P and say this point Q. It will help to represent us in the graphically representation. Now see these points. For the equation 1 we are having point A and B. A was 500 and 400. A was 500 and 400. Now see this figure. For equation 1 we are having the points A and B. A is 500 comma 400. A is 500 comma 400. Start from here. 1 2 3 4 500, and on y axis we should have to go 400. So 1 2 3 4, this is point A. Now point B is 700 comma 300. Start from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and y is 300. 1 2 3. Mark point B. Join these 2 points, we are getting a line. So this is line for the equation x plus 2y equal to 1300. And for the second equation is x plus 3y equal to 1300. We are having the points P and Q. P is 400 comma 300 and Q is 100 comma 400. Start from here. 1 2 3 4, and y is 300. So 1 2 3, mark as a P. Now for point Q, start from here. 100, it is 100 comma 400. So 1 and 400 go on y axis. 400, 1 2 3 4. This is point Q, 100 comma 400. Join these 2 points P and Q, we are getting another line which intersect, which are ongoing for in the forward direction. These will intersect each other, okay, at this point. This is the geometrically representation of the question. Okay, now thank you and have a good day.